Okay guys, welcome. So the question is, when was the first Bitcoin ATM installed? So guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please ensure what you like, you comment and you subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Drop me a love emoji saying thank you, you are grateful. That's a way to stay connected, because I always post time farm answers daily and on time, and I save you the stress from having to look for it all over YouTube. And secondly, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus. There is an airdrop currently that is ongoing. It's actually like a little secret, but I will be releasing it to you guys for coming to my channel. Ensure you subscribe. That airdrop is going to pay all of us a lot of USDT and probably make you your first millions if you are yet to wherever you are watching this video from. So ensure you watch this video to the latter end, because on the end of this screen I'm going to be posting a link and a video guide to the airdrop, so you can watch it from the beginning to the end and start mining the airdrop and know how to mine it. And currently, if you are not farming time farm, make sure you check the description box so you can start farming time farm immediately. So now for starters, now the question again is, when was the first Bitcoin ATM installed? So we'll be choosing what? The month, the year and the day. So for the month, we are going for 2013, and the day is what? On the 29th of 2013. That was when the first Bitcoin was first installed. Tap on check date and you see it. Congratulations, we got it correctly. And the next thing for us to do is to what? Claim the 100,000 worth of what? Time farm. So now this is the video on my end screen. Ensure what you tap this video and watch it, and follow the link in the description box for this video so you can start participating on this huge airdrop that is going to pay everybody really well. So thank you guys for watching. Ensure what you subscribe, drop me a thank you in the comment section, and join my Telegram channel, because I always post time farm answers daily and on time for you to make money. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.